As energy costs rise and climate awareness grows, more Shelby Township homeowners are seeking ways to make their homes more sustainable without sacrificing style, comfort, or value. That's where My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Shelby Twp comes in, a trusted local partner committed to helping residents create greener, more efficient homes through high-quality upgrades and eco-friendly practices. Whether you're replacing aging windows, upgrading your roof, or refreshing your siding, My Quality Windows brings both expert craftsmanship and a sustainability-first mindset to every project. Here's how they play a vital role in building better homes for the environment and for your wallet. Energy-efficient window solution. Windows are one of the most critical elements in home energy performance. Old or poorly installed windows often result in heat loss during Shelby Twp's cold winters and unwanted heat gain during hot summers, leading to increased energy usage and costs. My Quality Windows offers double and triple pane glass option, low emissivity coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, gas-filled glass for superior insulation, and tight ceiling frames to eliminate drafts. These features reduce your heating and cooling needs, helping you shrink your carbon footprint while boosting indoor comfort year-round. Plus, they can significantly lower monthly utility bills, a win for both you and the planet. Eco-friendly roofing materials and practices. Your roof is another key player in sustainable living. With proper materials and installation, your roofing system can deflect heat, regulate indoor temperatures, and last longer, reducing the frequency of costly replacements. My Quality Windows, Roofing and More specializes in durable, energy-conscious roofing options, including reflective shingles that minimize heat absorption, and long-lasting asphalt options that reduce landfill waste, proper insulation and ventilation to reduce HVAC strain. Their expert team also practices waste-conscious installation, recycling old materials wherever possible and ensuring each project meets the latest environmental standards. Sustainable siding. That's built to last. Siding doesn't just impact curb appeal. It plays a vital role in your home's insulation and weather resistance. My Quality Windows installs energy-efficient siding materials like insulated vinyl and fiber cement, which offer excellent thermal protection and require minimal upkeep. These options help stabilize indoor temperatures, resist mold, moisture, and pests, reduce the need for frequent repainting or replacement. By choosing long-lasting, low-maintenance siding, you reduce resource use and improve your home's energy efficiency over the long haul. Local expertise and eco-minded installation. As a Shelby Township-based company, My Quality Windows understands the unique challenges of Michigan's four-season climate and how to tailor solutions for maximum performance and sustainability. Every project starts with a detailed consultation, where your goals for comfort, style, and eco-responsibility are taken into account. The team prioritizes sustainable materials with long lifespan, professional installation that prevents air leaks and inefficiencies, environmentally responsible waste removal and disposal. This local first, customer-focused approach ensures your home isn't just better looking, it's smarter, greener, and more resilient. Boosting home value the sustainable way. Making sustainable improvements doesn't just benefit the planet, it also increases your home's market value. Energy-efficient windows, modern roofing, and eco-friendly siding are attractive to today's buyers, who prioritize lower utility bills, environmental responsibility, and comfort. By working with My Quality Windows, you're investing in upgrades that pay off both now and in the future, through energy savings, improved aesthetics, and a stronger resale position. Final thoughts. A trusted partner for greener homes. Whether you're making small upgrades or embarking on a full exterior renovation, My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Shelby Twp is your trusted partner in sustainable home improvement. Their commitment to high-performance products, environmentally responsible practices, and exceptional service ensures that every project adds value to your home and the environment. Looking to start your eco-friendly upgrade journey? Contact My Quality Windows today for a personalized consultation and take the first step toward a greener, more efficient home.